morning, everyone. So cold today because the winter is coming soon. Cold now. The weather and easy to get rain. Rain. That's why I just staying outside and get the little sun. Rain. So it's good for warm my body. Look at that. Raven. Make a smoothies every day.
Every day. Healthy. Healthy. You want grapes in yours?
Yes, a lot of that one.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Yes, yes, yes.
We got strawberry, raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, grapes, watermelon. Gonna blend this up. Then, not finished yet, we're gonna add some banana to it, thicken it up a little bit, and add some more flavor. But she don't like real thick, so I'm gonna add a little bit of water for hers. Me, I like mine thick, so I'm not gonna add water to mine.
Okay, cheers. Cheers. Today, I'm gonna cook something about Indonesian food because I'm craving Indonesian food. So, I have a fish here. I'm gonna fry this fish and I already marinate it with the seasoning here. And then this napa cabbage and this Indonesian sambal. We call this dabu-dabu and this is so good. We're done. Tyler already eaten. How is it, baby?
Spicy.
Yeah,
So good though.
just little.
What is this?
Dabu-dabu. Say it.
Dabu dabu.
Yeah. But this like dabu-dabu cook. Supposed to be raw. So this is when they eat, they put on the top like this, like this. Yeah. But you can dip into. So good. Well, I can say this, my fish fry that's better than my mom did.
Oh, you fry better.
Yeah, because Indonesia I'm not using lemon pepper. That's so good. Okay. Lemon pepper is good. So spicy but delicious. Why we need to do that there?
Because you need this number.
That's it. Don't forget ghost pepper. Ooh. yum.
Experiences. Who am I to argue with a professional cliche? Your scalpel skills are questionable.
So good. I'm done. Finally! Say hi to my friend on TikTok. Hi! Show your bag. You like?
Yeah.
Finally! We're together!
Do you like me?
Let's go! Adeline!
So happy to see you.
Yeah. Finally, I'm in US, in Indianapolis.
Let's go.
And spend time with Tyler family right now with Adeline.
How do you want to stay tonight?
Yeah.
Have you got to stay night with us?
Yeah.
You are? Let's go.
Yeah.
Now we're watching a movie, right?
Yeah, I'm watching movies.
Aw, you're so sweet.
I like the homemade chips.
You like homemade chips?
Yeah, I have no idea what this recipe is, but I want my mom to make these.
You want her mom to make them?
Yeah.
You like? That's natural.
What's your rating?
A 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
But you like that?
10 out of 10.
That's your favorite, huh?
It's not turning on.
I have a new friend. I have a new friend.
So,
Make sure you pick one.
fluffy. Curly hair.
So
Make Charlie pick one.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Junior. Happy birthday to you. And many
more years.
Use your hand. Use your hand. Make your wish. Make your wish. There you go.
Yay!
Yay! You did it. You're officially eight. I'm about to take DJ Bingo's phone. I'm about to take your Bingo's phone. You're still learning, dude. Everywhere I go, people tell me the same thing.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.